It's been a minute. It's been a minute, YouTube. It's been a minute. It's been a minute. I feel like I look a little darker. What's good, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy Tank be chopping. Back with another video, man. It's been a minute since I've done a review or an unboxing, but check it out, man. We're gonna be unboxing and reviewing the Heiniger Tauro Clipper. So without further ado, man, let's go ahead and get into this video. All right, man, so check it out. If y'all been watching your boy's channel for a minute, y'all seen that I've been using the Heiniger Serious Clipper, which is a detachable clipper. One of my go-to clippers I've had on my station since I've gotten it, and I've been using it a lot on most of my haircuts. Not every single one of my haircuts, but a lot of my bald fades, a lot of my shorter haircuts, I like to use them, right? And people have been asking me to go ahead and do an unboxing and a review on this one. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and do that for you in this video. However, I don't believe Fort Worth Barber Supply has these in stock. You can go look on their website, but I don't think they do. But you can go check them out, fwbarbersupply.com. And if they do got them, or if anything on the website you want to get, you can use my discount code TANK10 on that website. But nonetheless, man, we have the Tauro. It is not a detachable clipper. It actually has a lever on the clipper. Here is the box, as y'all can see. So on this clipper, we have adjustable, like I said, we have the a lever on it. Runtime up to 210 minutes, fits comfortably in the hand, very light at only 260 grams. Now, I don't know how much that actually is. Honestly, I'm gonna be 100% honest with y'all, but it did feel light in my hand. But before we start talking about what I think about the feel and the use of this, let's go ahead and open up this box. Now, as you can see, the box is sitting fat because when I put everything back in here, I didn't put everything in there properly. So, you know, when you do that, it don't sit in the box right. Like as y'all can see, I just kind of threw everything in there. That's my bad. But let's go ahead and get this clipper out of here. Bro, so this is where my half guard went. I ain't gonna lie to you. I've been looking for my half guard. I actually have a new half guard on my station because I didn't know what happened to the half guard, but I had it on this clipper. But nonetheless, man, check it out. Here is the Tauro Clipper. As y'all can see, I got some hair on it, man. Your boy have been putting it to use. You know how I do for my videos, right? But it is the Tauro Clipper. Really lightweight. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for y'all real quick. I wouldn't say a super quiet motor, but I wouldn't say it's a loud motor either. You know what I'm saying? It's like a normal sounding motor, right? But check that out. We have that, and then we have these grooves on the back for ergonomics. We do have a fade blade on there. I am a fan of the fade blades. As you can see, we have the lever on this side to help adjust, you know, where the blade sits and, you know, how long you're gonna cut or whatever. On and off switch on the side. Hanging hook, you know what I'm saying? Kind of like an old school barber type feel. We got the charging port down here. And we still, on this clipper, we also have the little paint splatters also, just like I have on my Serious Clipper. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on again for y'all one more time. Sounds good, sounds good. But let's move that over and see some of the other stuff that comes in the box.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Like I said, I kind of just threw everything in there, so we'll get to that here in a minute. But just so y'all know, it does come with a little cleaning brush, and it comes with a little bottle of oil that I don't know what I did with it, to be honest with y'all. Oh, here it is. I found the bottle of oil. But like I was saying, it does come with some guards. So if you check out these guards, man, these guards are a little different. I did take them out of the package just so I could look at them. And I'm not gonna lie to you, man, I didn't use these guards. They look different than any guard that I've used, you know, like they just have a different look to them, but this is how they look on the clipper. Now, you can use the traditional wall style guard. So this is my Babyless half guard, and it fits on there perfect. So your traditional guards that you use for like your wall clipper, Babyless clipper, Stylecraft clipper, or whatever, it will fit on this, but they do send you a set of their guards that I'm not the biggest fan of. I just didn't really like the way they look. Not saying they're bad guards, I just honestly didn't use them, and me trying to put this guard on there is kind of difficult. Like it looks like, I don't know if y'all can see that, it looks like the guard like bows in a little bit, but that may be how it's designed, I don't know. But I didn't use the guards, so we're really not gonna talk too much about the guards, but they do fit on there nicely. So if you need a clipper with guards, this clipper does come with guards, so that y'all do know that. But it comes with guards, and then you also get the charging cord. Obviously, as you can see here is the plug that you plug into the clipper. And then we get, you know, this part, the adapter that you plug into the wall. And then we also get, what else we got here? We get the user manual that, you know, we never really look at. At least I don't. Y'all may, but I don't, you know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, let me know down in the comments if you actually read these manuals. Like, I've never read one of these manuals. That's just me though, right? But nonetheless, man, that's what comes in the box. Here is the Heiniger Tauro Clipper. Check that out, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. It looks pretty good, man. I'm really liking the look of this clipper. But with that being said, man, let's go ahead and start talking about what I actually think about the performance of this clipper.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
All right, man, so all in all, I will say I do like the ergonomics of the clipper. It does feel comfortable in hand, doesn't feel too bulky. I wish it was a little shorter, you know what I'm saying? It does feel a little long, but not too much. The lever is not a click lever, it's a floating lever. So for people who like floating levers, you know what I'm saying, that's what comes on this clipper. We don't get a big stretch on this bracket. It's like your traditional open and closed type bracket on this clipper. And to be 100% honest with y'all, this reminds me a lot of the Wall Magic clip, right? So if you're a fan of the Wall Magic clip, you'd probably be a fan of this one. As far as like performance-wise, the way it feels, the weight of it, it feels really close to the Wall Magic clip. Not saying it's exactly the same, but it feels pretty close to it. So if you're a fan of that, you would be a fan of this clipper also, because like I said, it's just giving me those type of vibes, you know what I'm saying? Like that wall magic clip type vibe. However, like I said, it is a little thinner, you know, the magic clip is, I wouldn't say it's bulky, but it's a little more girthy, you know what I'm saying? It's a little more girthier than this clipper, but all in all, it performs like the magic clip also, meaning it does get the job done. You can debulk with it and you can fade with it. However, it just doesn't feel super powerful when you're going through the thicker hair, through the more coarse hair. It doesn't clog up, but it just doesn't feel like it's cutting it down, you know, that well. But it is, but it just doesn't feel like it is, right? But other than that, man, this thing performed really good, you know, and to be honest with y'all, when I did use it, I have a couple clips of me using it, and I'm just using this clipper, but a lot of times when I was using this clipper, I was using it with the detachable clipper. So I would debulk with a detachable clipper, you know, bought out with it, set in a couple guidelines, and I would take the guidelines out with the clipper with the adjustable lever. And that's just the way that I feel works really well when when you have a detachable clipper and a regular clipper, right? Like that's how I was taught back in the day when I first started barbering was, you know, do the majority of your work with your detachable clippers, and then you go back in with this detail, clean up, take out any lines, take out any discrepancies, you know, hit any dark spots. And that's basically what I was doing. But I did use this clipper for the full haircuts for y'all, so y'all can see exactly how this thing works. Y'all can see how it debulked, how it blended, how it tapered, all that good stuff, right? And y'all are gonna be seeing that in this video. But like I said, guys, I don't have the actual price for this. But all in all, guys, I will say it is a good tool. Gets the job done. Not super flashy, not super innovative. It's nothing really new, but it does get the job done, and you can put out great products with this clipper. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. I don't want this video to be too long. I just wanted to come in and talk to y'all a little bit about the Tauro Clipper, and yeah, man, give y'all my opinion on you, and then y'all can create your own opinion based off of what y'all saw and what y'all heard me say. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go. Yeah.